Hello, just giving an update here on my F2 Ultra trials and tribulations. Xtool sent out a package and it came with a new power supply in it, which is awesome, and it came really quick. I want to say it came in about a week. I think it was sent from China. I'm not entirely sure, but they did send out a couple of things. In the package there was is a replacement emergency stop button, like the one here. And there's also a full setup for another power button in this package. It's like a circuit board. You can see like the little button part there. Goes here, and maybe unplug the USB. Goes here. I'm guessing, but they didn't send out any instructions, unfortunately, and I'm a little concerned with that. I'm also a little concerned that I need to replace 3 parts of it. Like, that's a little disheartening that there's 3 things that could have gone wrong. I was hoping it's just the power supply. I'm hoping it still is. I'm gonna try swapping that out with the new one, and we'll see how that goes. I will keep you all updated, and in a little bit here, after I plug in the new power supply, I'll let you guys know. All right, see you in a bit.